Hey there. So you've heard about AI everywhere on the news, from friends, maybe at work, and you're wondering what all the fuss is about. Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to break down AI in a way that actually makes sense. No computer science degree required. So let's get started. First things first. AI, or artificial intelligence, is basically teaching computers to be smart helpers. Imagine having a really clever assistant who never gets tired, can read thousands of pages in seconds, and remembers everything you tell them. That's AI in a nutshell. Now, I want you to think about how you learned to ride a bike. You probably fell a few times, but each time you got back up, your brain learned something new about balance, speed, and steering. AI works similarly. We show computers tons of examples, and they start recognizing patterns. Show an AI thousands of pictures of cats, and eventually it learns what makes a cat look like a cat: pointy ears, whiskers, that judgmental stare. Now, here's where it gets interesting for you personally. AI isn't just for tech companies anymore. Regular people are using AI tools every single day to make their lives easier and, yes, even make money. I'm not saying you'll be rich tomorrow. That's not how this works. But people are using AI to write better emails, create graphics for their small businesses, analyze data for their side hustles, and automate boring tasks that used to eat up hours of their day. Let me give you some real examples. Sarah from Ohio uses AI to help write product descriptions for her online craft store. What used to take her all weekend now takes 2 hours. Marcus in Texas uses AI to analyze which of his social media posts get the most engagement, helping his food truck business grow. Jennifer started offering AI assisted resume writing services as a side gig while keeping her day job. The key thing to understand is that AI is a tool, like a hammer or a calculator. A hammer doesn't build a house by itself. You need to know where to place the nails. Same with AI. The magic happens when you combine AI's capabilities with your own knowledge, creativity, and understanding of what people need. Right now, we're in this amazing moment where AI tools are powerful, but most people don't know how to use them yet. It's like when the internet first became popular, the people who learned it early had a huge advantage. You don't need to become a programmer, you just need to be curious and willing to experiment. Here's what I want you to remember: every expert was once a beginner. The person making good money doing AI assisted freelance work, they started by spending 10 minutes playing with ChatGPT, just like you might do today. The difference between them and everyone else? They kept going. They tried things. They failed at some stuff, succeeded at others, and gradually built up their skills. Some people are already using these skills to build side incomes that eventually let them have more flexibility in their lives. Could that be you? Absolutely. But like learning any new skill, whether it's cooking, playing guitar, or using AI, you get out what you put in. Start small, be patient with yourself, and focus on solving real problems that real people have. The beauty is, you can start learning right now for free from your couch. Play with AI tools for 15 minutes a day. Ask them questions. Have them help you write an email. Get them to explain something you've always wondered about. Each interaction teaches you something about what AI can and can't do. Remember, we're not talking about overnight success here. We're talking about gradually building a valuable skill set in a world that's increasingly going digital. Whether you use it to be more efficient at your current job, start a side project, or eventually build something bigger, that's up to you and how far you want to take it. The future isn't about competing with AI, it's about learning to dance with it. And that dance, it starts with a single step. Your first step could be today. Ready to begin? In our next video, we'll dive into the specific tools you can start using right now, completely free, to begin your AI journey. See you there.